What is going on, boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. If this is the first time on the channel, stick around here because this road is absolutely awesome, and consider subscribing if you haven't. Right, so what I'm going to do, and hand the GoPro to Meg, say what's happening, Meg.
Hi.
And we're going to go on a little journey. Right, so you're going to hold it there nice and steady, and we're going to drive one of the best driving roads in the UK. I'm not even biased on that. That's alright, she's going to hold it nice and still. If it's a bit shaky, drop it in the comments below, shout at Meg. Right, tell you what, this road, yeah, it's one of those ones you haven't even got to drive fast on, yeah? We're in Meg's car today, and we're just going to have a nice, enjoyable ride. If you hear any beeping, that's just because the car's got a lane departure, and it's quite annoying, and it will beep if we go over the line. But just look at the views, yeah? Just literally take in the views. Absolutely incredible. You'll see a little bit of everything, like people running through to everything. This is a great driving road. I'm not gonna lie to you. But I mean, yeah, she will get it eventually. But I mean, right, come down for a little nosy. Now, I've driven this road in the past many times. I've also driven this in the middle of a storm, if you want to go back through onto the channel and take a look. Right, speed limit of the road, 60 miles an hour, so national speed limit. So you can have a little bit of fun if you're about that life. If you just want to be, you know, van life, chill, then you can just take your time going down there and taking in the lovely surroundings. I'll be honest with you, it is absolutely gorgeous out there. There we go, you can see all sorts of everything. I tell you what, yeah, side note, North Wales, and I've seen a load of Netherlands cars up there, well, Netherlands plate vehicles. There must be like 25, 30 vehicles or so, I'm not even kidding. But we're going to have a little nosy, because I think this road, this pass, if you're ever in North Wales, Llanberis is where you need to come, and you need to come and check out this. We'll do this, try and get Meg to hold it nice and steady. And this is what I mean, guys, you're not even going to go fast. 40 miles an hour we're doing at the minute. But it's, you know, it's a bit of fun. So as you are going down and around the roads, you will be looking. Your eyes want to go everywhere. You want to go look to the right. You want to look to the left. You're literally just in a little crater driving down through the middle, and it would be phenomenal just seeing all the stones just dropping down here. Really, we've got some lovely little bridges like the one that's coming up. And another little side note I will say, if you come here in the winter season, believe it or not, it's the 5th of August today. This is summer, yeah. This is summer in Wales. Welcome to the dullness. But yeah, you will have a lot of cars parked on the left and the right as well. A lot of walkers, so look out for those. Sometimes, you know, it'll be sheep and other animals walking around. But what I will say, in the winter months when you've got those heavy rain, literally it is waterfalls everywhere. It's just running down everywhere. It is peeling on the eye. It's good to come and see. But there we go. We'll have a little catch up to these now, and then we can take in some more of those views. Oh yeah, you will notice as well, there's houses dotted around the place. There's a lot of people that do camp around here as well, which is pretty good. Bit of stealth camping as well, always a pleasure around here. And there we go, that's what I'm saying. It's not a road really if you want to come home, unless you want to do that in the early hours of the morning, because you more than likely will find a bit of traffic. Granted, it's summertime, so there's going to be a little bit more on the roads than what it would normally get. But I tell you what, it's a good place if you just want to chill out, go for a walk, go for an explore. You're probably fed up of me chatting, so I'll be quiet for the next bit, and you can just take in the beautiful views. Quiet, that's never going to happen. But I mean, as you can see, there's a lot of pull-ins on the left and on the right of this road. So if you're lucky enough to get a spot, you can see all these are taking climbing stuff with them. They got their ropes, they're going to be climbing the rock faces, which is pretty cool. As you come down into the bottom of the valley, you're going to go out of a 60 mile an hour, you're going to drop into a 30 zone, but that's alright. And if you are a walker and you want to do this area, the frequent buses are running between it as well, as you can see here, coming up in this little jam. That's alright, we'll squeeze through it, because that's the problem. You've got a walker here as well. The bus has just stopped in the most random place, which was a bit silly to do it, but there we go. What are we to complain or moan? I mean, that was a bit of a dumb place to stop when it was a walker there, I'll be honest with you. Madness. But There we go, we'll have a little pull in, we'll pull in with you now, right? If that was filmed terribly, yeah, don't shout at me, that's all her fault, right? Because I tell you what, there's a caravan on his roof in there as well. What are we saying? That might have been banging. Right, if that's all wrong, yeah, blame Meg, drop it down in the comment. What are you doing, Meg? Learn how to film, that's what I'm going to say. But yeah, Llanberis Pass when you're here, amazing. And if you haven't already, go and check out the Lonely Tree, yeah, because people travel from all over the world, come and have a little nosy at that. It is worth a look if you're in the area. But yeah, consider subscribing. If that was awful, my apologies, I don't care. Hit dislike on it, it helps the algorithm, innit? But yeah, until next time, we done. Boosh.